What's going on, everyone? Trent here at Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Today we're going to talk about the new shock rebuild toolkits out on the market from Tusk. Now, if your shock is in need of service, you already know a shop is going to charge you roughly $100 to $150 in labor alone to tackle that job. The whole time that your bike is down though, you're missing out on rides. You don't want to do that. Tusk wants to make it more convenient to be able to find the tools that you need and be able to tackle this job yourself. So let's get into that just a little bit and show you exactly how easy this job should be for you. Now, I get it. If you're like me though, when it comes time to throwing a piston in your bike or doing a valve shim adjustment, for whatever reason, engine work seems a little bit more easy to think of and to do. But when it comes time when that rear end is feeling a little too bouncy on your bike, there's no dampening whatsoever, or if it started to leak oil down the shock shaft, it seems a little too scary to tackle. That being said, the job is far easier than you may think. We here at Rocky Mountain ATV MC have a lot of different how-to videos to get into the different shocks, but then you're gonna see that it doesn't take a lot of specialty tools to do this job. With these new toolkits, you're gonna get the proper seal head tool and seal bullet that your bike is gonna require to do the job. Now, on our website, we do have these as a machine-specific toolkit. So be sure that you enter in your year, make, and model of machine, and that'll get you the proper tool for the job. These do come in many different sizes, and you will only be getting the one that your bike requires. So let's get into these tools and show you exactly what you're going to be getting when you get this kit. We'll start off with this Tusk seal head tool. This is an aluminum tool with an anodized finish, and it's going to look good, but it's also going to hold up for a long time. You're going to be able to do lots of rebuilds with this tool. What this does is once you've drained out all of the nitrogen out of your shock, removed the shock spring and the seal head cover, this right here is going to push down on the seal head, allowing you to get to that circlip that you need to remove to disassemble your shock. Truth be said, I've done this job without this tool and I've done it with it. This makes it way easier to do. So if you are looking to get into your shock for the first time, you want all of the cheat codes you can possibly have. This is one of the best ones to have. Now, when it comes time to put that shock back together, when you're installing the seal head, it's very easy to cut the inner seal in that seal head and undo all of the good work that you've already put into your shock. That's where the proper seal bullet is going to come in. Now, again, this is machine specific, so be sure to put it in so that you get the proper seal bullet. But what this does is this covers up both the threads and the sharp ledge on your shock shaft, and that's going to allow you to install your seal head without cutting that inner seal. Again, you don't want to undo all of the work that you've already put into the shock. Nothing's worse than putting it all back together, charging it up with nitrogen, and it's automatically leaking oil. This tool right here is going to keep you from doing that. And really, when it comes to shocks, that's it. Specialty tools, this is all you need. This is a job that you can definitely tackle for yourself and save you that labor and save you that time of having your bike down either at the shop or without a shock in your own garage. If you want to tackle this job yourself, be sure to check out our how-to videos. Charles has done a great job of showing you how to rebuild all of the modern shocks that are out on bikes today. To get yours, go ahead and jump to RockyMountainATVMC.com or hit the link below to get to the product page. As always, we do offer free shipping on all orders over $75. So if you're looking for your place to get ready, Rocky Mountain's the place to be. I'm Trent, and thanks so much for watching.